Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for chatbot development. To use ChatGPT for chatbot development, you can follow these steps. First is setup environment. Install the necessary dependencies and obtain your OpenAI API key. Choose a programming language and set up the OpenAI library or SDK accordingly. Next is design the conversation flow. Define the structure of the conversation, including user inputs and corresponding responses. Plan for different scenarios and variations. Third is make API calls for response generation. Use the OpenAI API to generate responses based on user inputs and the conversation history. Send an API request with the appropriate parameters, including the prompt and conversation messages. Fourth is process and handle the response. Extract the generated response from the API response. Implement by required post-processing or filtering based on your chatbot's logic or requirements. Last is iterate and refine. Test the chatbot extensively. Gather user feedback and iterate on the conversation flow and response generation to improve performance and user experience. Remember to follow OpenAI's usage guidelines, incorporate error handling mechanisms, and ensure the chatbot operates safely and responsibly. So that's how to use ChatGPT for chatbot development. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks.